Hey everybody, coming to you from the back seat of my car. Don't mind the crumbs. I want to show you a trick today that will help you get a tight installation on your car seat with minimal brute force. So I've got the latch anchor done on this side. I've got the other one here. It's right side up. It's clicked onto that latch anchor. And what most people do with this latch belt is they grab the end and they pull. You might take a hand, put some weight in the seat, pull again, and then what happens when they go to check for tightness, remember we're looking for less than an inch of movement at this belt path. As you can see, not happening. This thing's rocking all over the place. And they say, but I pulled. It's tight. I can't get it any tighter. Here's the trick. This is the inside out trick. Instead of pulling from the outside of the vehicle seat or the car seat like this, you're going to lift the seat pad up on your child's car seat and you're going to reach down under that armrest where that latch belt goes through, and you're going to pull it from the outside of the seat in. Then you're going to put that weight on again. You're going to pull that latch belt inside the car seat. From the inside, follow that belt path and pull it toward you. So we've put the weight, we've pulled. Take the end of that, feed it back out under the armrest, and now check it out. It's not going anywhere. So use that leverage, pull it to the inside of the seat, follow that belt path, put that weight down to get the tightest install with the least amount of force. And if you need help with a car seat, it's crazy. There's a lot of questions. There's a lot of things to know. Always consult a certified child passenger safety technician for help with your seats. Hope that helps you. Have a good one.